Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use our double-ended tools. Let's get into it. First, we've got some little hearts. Using the big dotting ball, paint 2 dots next to each other, leaving a gap. From the dot, slide the dotting tool down to create a heart shape, then cure. Next, we've got some dainty flowers. Using the big dotting ball, paint 5 dots in a circle to create petals. Using the small dotting ball, drag the dots into the center, then cure for 30 seconds. Using the small dotting ball, paint a dot in the center of the flower and cure. Next, we have chrome powder and stickers. Using the chisel end, rub chrome powder over the entire surface of the nail and dust off excess. Use the chisel end to rub your nail art sticker into place. Finally, we have blooming dots and rhinestones. Using the angled chisel end, dot your polish colour onto uncured blooming gel and cure. Pick up and place rhinestones using nail art glue and the angled chisel end, curing once you're happy with the placement. Thanks for watching.